Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Notion by connecting Google Calendar step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Notion's website. Log into your Notion account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the workspace where you want to integrate Google Calendar. In the left sidebar, click on Settings and Members. Scroll down to find the Integrations section. Click on Add a new integration. Choose Google Calendar from the list of available integrations. You will be prompted to authorize access to your Google account. Click on the Authorize button. A new window will pop up, directing you to sign into your Google account. Enter your Google account email and click Next. Input your password and click Next again. You may be asked to confirm any additional security measures, such as two-factor authentication. Once logged in, review the permissions requested by Notion. Click on the Allow button to grant access. Return to your Notion workspace after authorization is complete. Now, go to the page where you'd like to embed your Google Calendar. Type /embed to bring up the embed options. Select Embed Link from the drop-down menu. Paste your Google Calendar link into the provided field. Click on the Embed button to finalize the process. Your Google Calendar will now be displayed on your Notion page. Adjust the size and positioning of the calendar as needed. Test the integration by returning to your Google Calendar. Any updates made in Google Calendar should now reflect in Notion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.